Welcome to the Echo Asia farm. My name is Patrick Trail and I work as the research coordinator here on the farm. We're here to talk about on-farm feeds. We know that it is a priority of all smallholder farmers to have good access to affordable feeds. And so here on the farm we promote varieties that are high yielding, locally adapted, and available to the farmer. We also promote the making of our own farm feeds using fermented feeds for our pigs and chickens and fish. And we're also exploring options such as black soldier fly and mealworms as a high protein alternative that can be produced here on the farm.
Scattered across the Echo farm are various forage banks where we are growing Pangola grass, Israel grass, and super Napier grass. These grasses grow quickly and allow for livestock grazing and/or a cut and carry method for feeding cows. They can also be used in the on-farm feed we produce for our pigs. Careful rotation of grazing and/or harvesting ensures a steady supply of livestock food, while older sections of grass can be used to propagate new forage bank areas. Bananas are also a common sight on our farm. These are grown primarily for the purpose of producing fermented banana stalk silage, which is the type of on-farm feed that we have been trialing with our pigs. In this system, the stalk of the banana is chopped up and used to produce a fermented banana base that we can mix with other local products including cornmeal, rice bran, fish meal, and soy meal. Our research comparing our on-farm feed to commercial feed has shown that we can maintain weight gain while keeping feed costs low. While plants are an important part of our various feed options, we are also trialing the use of black soldier flies and mealworms as the primary protein source in chicken and fish feed. Black soldier fly larvae consume food waste, while mealworm larvae consume fresh field residue. This offers further options to maximize our farm waste while creating usable biomass.